Take the pot, right.
Pull forward. Do what sheet on. Sheet on. Main on. You might need to down the spin off. Main on. Main still slapping. Good.
You're a lot.
No, I think there'll be wind. It's coming from the...
Weights down, everyone. Weights down. Weights down.
Went to a reach first.
Sheet in the mainsail. Hitting up. Hold on.
I think we need to join. Who's going from the left?
Let me see anyone on the left there. Just lifted.
Main off.
They're going for a drive, they're driving. Starboard.
Starboard.
John, too high, John.
Starboard!
Come on, do it. Sheet on. That's been what.
Can't.
Hey, yo! Keep clear, you're not keeping clear!
Hit us! Come and hit us!
It's too heavy, but still run the bridge. Enough.
No matter what, we can't. Square.
Fly the spin, guys. Fly the spin.
Quicker. Left.
Come on, pull on. Let's see what she is.
After that, how we push the pole up? I can't pull.
Come on, do it, shit. Do it. Let's do it.
More.
More, baby, more.
Yeah. Get some speed first. Main on. It's gonna be a lure drop. Step back and jib up.
Ready? Let's go.
Yeah, just off.
Yeah, jib up. Jib up. Quick.
What?
Fall down.
John, what? They're trying to...
Lure drop. Someone get a jib in, lure drop. Katrina, shooting on mainsail. Jib in. Keep the jib in.
Let go.
Mainsail.
We're gonna drop there, guys.
Maybe you do that.
Okay, John, what?
Jib Chip in.
Little, little.
Stand by, driving in 4, 3, 2, 1, and ease off. Bearing. Ease off. 2, 1, swing and everyone cross.
Hit.
Waist down, everyone. Yellow mark, oh.
Yellow mark.
Where's the next pressure?
Left shift is gone. There's one coming down here. The weather station. I think the final one's
More jib. Stand by for attack in 2, 1, attacking.
Wait.
Cancel.
weather coming in about there. Let's get some speed. Crossing 2. Bear away.
Alright, stand by, attack in 4, 3, 2, 1, attack. Attacking. Crossover. Move down.
Just do that.
Waist down. Stand by for attacking.
Cross.
Waist down, everyone.
We don't need 10 actually.
I want to protect the left wing.
Sit down.
Loosen the mainsail.
The wind is faster. You just shoot.
Stand by for attack. Lift down, just your waist down.
Lifting.
Lifting.
Can you try to sheet all the way? And then sheet all the way off the bit.
Give it a yank. East, slightly.
mark.
Yeah, yeah.
Try to illustrate.
Reach, huh?
Then we're gonna have to do the penalty of
Yeah.
Just be fast. So we practice this in school.
Well, unless if we catch a gust, we might be able to do it now.
easier to do an arm.
We'll see how. Good pressure now.
We might keep going.
Try and loosen the sail. It's the reach, it's the reach.
More gas in.
That's it very soon.
Where's the mount? Oh, okay, I see
Straight
it.
ahead.